So what I'm doing here, I've cracked off this bolt, this nut here. This is where you tighten things up. Cracked it off so I can adjust my cable tightness here, and this basically is how far I pull out the clutch lever to the actual clutch engaging. So when I first got the bike, I pulled out my clutch to here, if you can see, and it was engaging. Now I've adjusted it, I've got just a little bit more play. So I'll just go back a bit. I want to go forward, I want more going forward. That's a little bit too much. That's about perfect. Now it's where I want it. I just tighten that up there, that stops that from moving anymore. We could do a little bit back. Let's just come back ever so slightly. A bit harder in gloves, but you can just here, and that feels pretty nice. Maybe you want it back a little bit.
And that's it guys, real nice, simple, easy way to adjust the slip on your clutch. As always, I hope that's useful. A like and a subscribe is always so appreciated. Thanks again for watching, and catch you on the next vid.